Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn LED chaser with Raspberry Pi Pico board and microPython programming. So let us get started. This is a schematic diagram. Here I am using 5 LEDs. These LEDs are connected on Raspberry Pi Pico board and these pins are GPIO 16, GPIO 17, GPIO 18, GPIO 20 and GPIO 21. Anode pin of all LED are connected on GPIO pin and cathode pins are common. So it is connected on ground. Okay. This is circuit diagram. You can see this is Raspberry Pi Pico board and these are LEDs. Cathode anode pin is connected on GPIO 21 and GPIO 20, GPIO 18, GPIO 17 and GPIO 16. These are cathode pin are common to ground. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Now we will go to microPython programming. I will open Thonny IDE. I will take here new file and here I will start programming. First of all, I will import pin from machine library. So from machine import pin and again I will import sleep class from time library. So from time import sleep. Okay, now I will make an object name is led1 equal to pin and pin is 16. It is output pin, so we have to make as an output. So pin dot out. Okay, now I will copy and paste here. I will change here object name to 3, 4 and 5, 16, 17, 18th, 20 and 21. Okay, all pins has been converted as a output. Now I will create def led underscore chaser. Okay, here I will use 5 parameters A, B, C, D, E. Okay, led1 dot value, its value will depend on A. This is led1. Okay, I will copy and paste 5 times. And fifth LED on. Okay, here I will use a delay. So sleep, this is 0.25 second. Okay, now I will use while loop. It is true because this is infinite loop. Here I will call LED chaser function and it will decide to turn on LEDs or turn off LEDs. So LED underscore chaser So first time all LED will be turned off, so 0 comma 0 0 0 0. Okay, so all LED has been turned off, and then I will turn on first LEDs. So copy this and paste. So first LED is on, and again copy. Now first and second LED will be turned on. First, second and third LED will be turned on. Okay, I will copy again and paste here. Now all LEDs are turned on. Okay, now it will start to turn off LEDs one by one. So first LEDs will be 0, copy this, and second LEDs it will be 0, third LED will be 0, fourth, third and second and first LED will be 0. Code is ready. I will connect my Raspberry Pi Pico board with my system and go to tools and option interpreter. Here it is selected microPython and USB COM port 12. I think it is correct, but we can check once again. Device manager, port, you can see here it is USB serial device is 12, COM port 12. Okay, then OK and click on run button. First of all, we have to save this in my system, so I will save on desktop. Okay, I will type LED chaser, save. Wow, great. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has been given in description box, and don't forget to press like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.